Good morning, students. Welcome to English tutorials. Dear children, in previous video we had understood how we can write an effective article. That was chapter number 33 of your grammar. Now it's time to learn how we can write, how we can prepare an effective speech. Children, we all have experienced speech many a times, sometimes being a speaker or sometimes being a listener. Many a times in assembly, during assembly, we listen to the speech, and just after the ending of the speech, at the end of the speech, we give a big round of applause. Why so? Because the speech is that much effective that it forces us to clap for them. So, how we can make our speech a wonderful one, how we can catch listeners' attention, this all we are going to learn today. Children, in speech writing, we are directly talking to the listeners. So, obviously, as whenever we start a tutorial, I always mention that welcome children to English tutorials. I am Geeta Malhotra with you. In the same way, whenever a speaker comes at the podium and he starts speaking, he speaks in such a way, he starts his speech by introducing himself or herself first of all. So, here are a few tips, here are a few things which you need to take care before starting or before writing the speech. First of all, beta, speech is written to express views in public. Second thing, speech is always written, speech is always mentioned, always spoken in present tense. It is basically divided into three parts. The very first paragraph or in the beginning, we will be there is introduction, then main body, and finally conclusion. Between introduction would be of a short paragraph in which you will be introducing yourself and you will be addressing to the audience. In main part, you will be adding all the facts, examples, whatsoever subject matter you know about that particular topic in detail you will be explaining. And since you are directly talking to the listener, so you can use personal pronoun by addressing I, you, etc. Secondly, in speech writing you can ask questions also, and at the end we have to wind up our speech by giving a positive note, a solution, and a hope. Now let's discuss in detail. So children, now let's focus what we are going to include in our speech writing. As I have already told you that speech is written to express views in public. Second, present tense is usually used while writing a speech. In introduction also I told you that speech is written to express views in public and present tense is always used while writing a speech. Further, it is divided into three parts. The very first part is introduction, then main body, and finally the conclusion. In paragraph 1, what we are going to include? In introduction, first paragraph, obviously it is of introduction. We are going to greet the authorities, audience, means whosoever are sitting in front of us. We need to address them, we need to greet them. Further, we will be introducing ourselves. Then introduce the topic. Here is an example how we can do that. We can start our speech by saying, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Arush, the head boy of the school. I am delighted to have the golden opportunity of expressing my views on the topic. And then you can announce your topic. In paragraph 2, which is main body, In main body, we are going to include the facts which we know about the topic, the data which we have with us about the topic. Relevant examples can be included. Since we are directly interacting to the audience, then we can ask questions also, and we are supposed to explain the topic in detail. Last, paragraph 3, that is our conclusion part. We have to conclude the topic on a positive note, not on a negative one, and with an appeal or hope what we are expecting from the audience to do, what we are expecting from media, from general people to do. In such note, we are going to wind up our topic. And finally, in last, end with a thank you. We can add this line also. Thank you everyone for being patient listeners. So children, I hope you have understood that how we are going to write a speech. Soon formal format of speech writing with an example will be provided to you through handmade notes. Till then, go through with the points which are on your screen, and side by side start practicing your grammar work also. I'm sure that you all have your books with you. So children, please take care of your schedule and utilize this time as much as you can. Thank you.